Hello, everybody, and welcome once again to another episode of Bearbo's Basement. Today's song is called Raining. It's a classic hit I wrote with Lana Hines and Doug Forshee. Absolutely love this song. It's moody and interesting and artistic. And it's a Grammy Award-winning song, in my opinion, and everybody else that's ever heard it. I definitely think you're going to like it. So without further ado, here comes Raining.
Words like thunder in my head, swirling clouds of things unsaid. I can see the sky is changing. Oh, to tap their mystery and make the water come to me and put an end to all this waiting. Dry as dust, dancing on the desert wind, till my heart opens up and it begins raining. I can feel it pouring down, raining, soaking into hard ground, like a storm that's always rolling somewhere just beneath my skin. Strong as it's ever been, I feel it coming down again. Inspiration's like a friend. It calls my name, invites me in to ride the tide that's slowly swelling. God, the words come like the wave, spilling out onto the page, and I'm the story that they're telling. Drop by drop, I let the flood wash over me, leaving me lost again in sweet release. Raining, I can feel it pouring down. In the hollow ground, like a storm that's always rolling somewhere just beneath my skin. Strong as it's ever been, I feel it coming down again. It's ever been, I feel it coming down again.
Aha, didn't I tell you? Didn't you just love it? Raining, written by Lana Hines, Doug Forshee, and me. It's just a very interesting song. I hope you like it as much as we do. Until next time, this is Bearbo's Basement saying so long for now. Love you, bye.